Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Tiramisu. Tiramisu means pull me to you. It's a beautiful, beautiful name. Imagine tira means pulling, me, myself, you, to you. So pull myself to you. So I love that dessert. First it has a beautiful name and then it contains coffee and mascarpone, which is very rich, whipped cream. Sometimes people put some yolk in it. I don't want to use non-cooked yolk, so I don't going to add any. But first I'm going to show you how to make the little cakes inside the tiramisu. In French we call it Biscuit Cuillère. So we have 6 egg white, 6 egg yolk, 150 grams of flour, and 150 grams of sugar. It's a very simple recipe. And a little bit of lemon juice inside the egg white. So I'm going to start my egg white, put a tiny bit of lemon juice in it. And then when the egg white starts to whip, I'm going to add the sugar slowly. The egg whites are nice and stiff. And with the lemon, they don't separate, so I love it. I'm going to put the egg yolk just like that. Just breaking them and start mixing them into the egg white. The flour. I'm going to add the flour. Okay, that's it. So now what I want to do is mix everything nicely. So be very delicate with that mixture. You don't want the air to get out. You want that biscuit cuillère to stay very light and beautiful. Okay, here we go. We're going to put that into a piping bag with a round tip. Size of your pinky about. Six eggs give you a lot of cake. You know, you can do a birthday cake with something like that too. Just spread it into a tray and bake it and that's it. Okay, so what you do, you put that in front of you and then you pipe some little biscuit like that. Then I'm going to add a tiny bit of powdered sugar on top. And remember, I certainly did, if I remember, I did a cake with that. I put the biscuit cuillère around, and I certainly did a mousse or Bavarian on the middle, which is a big classic in French pastry. When you graduate from the pastry school, a lot of times they ask you to do this cake. So I think I will make it. Okay, I'm going to put that in the oven. So the biscuit cuillère are ready. Oh, that smells good. So I have the biscuit cuillère ready. I take some coffee, espresso coffee. I put them on a bowl. And I add, and that you do that to your liking. I add a little bit of powdered sugar in it just to get a little sweetness and a little bit of rum. You can add whatever alcohol you want, whatever sweetness you like. You can use maple syrup. You know, it's really up to you. What we're going to do, we're going to take those biscuit cuillères, we're going to dip them into the coffee, and then we're going to put them here on the bottom of this bowl. I basically put everything on the bottom of my container. Now I have 250 grams of whipped cream or cream that can be whipped. I'm going to put it in here. And then I'm going to add 250 grams of mascarpone. And then I'm going to add to that some sugar. 250 is 500. 500 we can put 100 grams of sugar. We can put powder sugar, so it will melt a little bit easier. I'm going to soften the mascarpone a tiny bit. Okay, mixing it with the cream. Add my sugar. So traditionally, the Italian will put some raw egg yolk in it. I'm always afraid of doing that because the raw eggs can cause some problems. So I'm just going to avoid to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to mix all that together. And you mix it until the cream whipped. And that go very fast. That's it. And now I'm going to put the cream on top of those biscuit cuillère that are already layered. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. Dip them very well. They need to absorb a lot of coffee, a lot of flavor. That's a very homey dessert. It's actually, pretty easy to make. And you can buy those little cakes. So imagine if you buy those cakes, then it's really easy to make. And you can put 2-3 layers, whatever work. So what I do, I'm going to add a little bit more mascarpone cream. Okay, so the last thing that I want to do is put a little bit of cacao on top, and then I'm going to line a little bit of those beautiful biscuit cuillère on. And again, if you don't have any more of the cake, it's fine. But, I have them and they look good. They are delicious, so why not? Tiramisu, one of the most popular Italian desserts. It's easy to make, it's delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appétit.